Hi, today I'm going to make these very easy to make decoration pieces which can also be used as coasters or mirrors on the wall in any way that you like. The materials I'm using are, this is a twine or a rope made of coir, a piece of felt which is almost the same color as the rope, a piece of mirror, you can take any shape, and these are some flowers, artificial flowers made of fabric, leaves, and this is very strong glue. Now take the sheet of felt. This is not real felt, so I'll just measure it out the width wise. So this is about 20 centimeters. I'm just going to mark out 20 here so I can cut out a square. Like this, and I'll just cut it out. I'll just measure the mirror. So this is 7.5 by 7.5, and this is 20. So I'll just divide it so that I have the equal, size on both sides, on all the sides. So 7.5 minus 20 is 12.5. So I'll just put a mark at 6.25. And similarly on this side. I'll just put the mirror to see it fits between all these dots. So it will come in the center of this felt piece, like so. So now I'll just apply glue. This is strong rubber based adhesive, so I'll just apply it behind the mirror. You can use glue gun. So now I'll just stick it between these dots. Just press it so it sticks well. You can keep some weight so that it sticks. Leave it for a while. First I'll just apply glue at the edge of the glass or the mirror. And stick this all around it, standing up, so that it covers the edge of the glass. There are no chances of anybody cutting their finger when handling it. Cut off. and let it dry first. I'll just apply glue. Stick this. Now I'll stick this flat on the surface. Then another line. So this way I'll cover the whole square. Like so. So I'll continue doing this till I reach the end. So I've stuck it all around and this is how it will look. And because it's a square, so by the time you come to the edge, it will become rounded a bit. It's very difficult to, keep a square shape. If you want this, you can just stick bits of twine, rope like this. I'm not going to do that. I'll just cut the felt on this. Just outline, just outside the rope. Like so. So I'll just cut all the four and leave this thing to dry absolutely. I've taken these flowers, as I said, fabric flowers, some roses, some marigold, leaves, and these are buds, small leaves. So I'll start organizing them. So just see the placement as you would like to stick them. Then the roses, stick them like this. Like so, and then I'll put the marigold. So I'll start with these leaves first. Take some glue. So you can make a combination of any flower that you like, any flower that is available to you. Since just turn it around because this is the front. Now stick the others also. So this is how they look after they finish, and you notice it's become fairly stiff. So you can use it to hang, like a mirror, or you can use it as a coaster or just as a decoration piece.